Yeah. I know about UD pranks, man. Come on, man. I was all watching that a couple times, man. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Um, that guy UD, because he sets up like, is it like the fake gold digger, or he does hidden cameras with the gold diggers and that in the mansions or whatever. And yeah, that program's quite interesting still. Those little things. Yeah, he must get bare views in that actually, Which is, yeah, man, it's good, man. Salute to him, innit? But that's what I'm saying. Like, there's certain man, they like they complain that they don't get much subscribers or watches and views and that, but they need to realize, right? Like, at the end of the day, right? Entertainment will always be real talk. Yeah, as I said already. Yeah, I can talk about all this stuff. Yeah, buy a property and be smart with your money and don't complain that you're black and the world is fair for black people and that. Yeah. A couple people go and watch those videos, innit? Yeah. But if I strip myself naked and set myself on fire, yeah, you see how many millions of views that video gets. Yeah, because people prefer entertainment over the truth, real talk, innit? That's how it goes. So that UDU, yeah, UDY, yeah, he's got 5 million bomber class subscribers, He's all got videos racking up 19 million views, 19 million views. Yeah, if you upload a video and you get a million views, you get about 7,000 US dollars, So just times 7,000, yeah, 7,000 by 1,900. What? 7 times 10, that's 70. 7 times 9, 63. Yeah, what? 133. So he could get potentially paid 133 bags for one Ras Clark video that probably cost him 3 or 4 grand to shoot. Yeah, the most expensive part of the video is probably renting out the mansion or whatever in it. Yeah, obviously it's very time consuming and timing has to be on point. He probably has a lot of failed attempts as well. But once he actually makes a video and uploads it, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Like, you can literally make mad money off of being on YouTube. But me, I ain't going down the comedic route or the entertainment route, whatever in it. But yeah, it's amazing to see these men just blow up on YouTube and that. Like, I'm sure he's got the same amount of subscribers as PewDiePie, That PewDiePie's been on, PewDiePie's got 106 million subscribers, which is insane.